Thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sponsoring this video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis Lopez. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm super happy to have you guys here today. So as you probably saw from the title, I'm going to be doing a review on some hair products. And now the hair products I'm going to be reviewing are the Olaplex hair products. So it's these four guys right here. I am going to be testing them out and giving you guys a little review. So when Look Fantastic reached out to me asking if I wanted to collaborate with them, I was so on board because I have tried Olaplex before. My hairdresser carries the line in his hair salon, and he has used the number 3 treatment on me. It's done like a whole little routine for me, but I've never tried the shampoo or the conditioner or the number 6 Bond Smoother. And I was so excited when I received these products because it's all about shiny, luscious, glowing hair from within. So I am super excited to try out these products, share the results with you, see how it goes. If you want to be part of this journey, then keep on watching. Olaplex's main goal is to repair damaged hair. So what it does, it helps to relink the broken bonds in the hair. So this could be caused by chemically treating your hair. It could be caused by thermal heat. It could be caused by mechanical damage. So these various factors are usually the main causes of why your hair could be damaged. So this is a great shampoo to help rebuild those bonds back together and repair that damaged hair. Also is going to help to strengthen the hair and protect it from any future damage as well. So another great thing about Olaplex is that it helps to treat any type of hair. So whether you have curly hair, wavy hair, coily hair, tightly coiled hair, straight hair, it's going to help repair and replenish, and your hair is never going to look better. So with that being said, let's start with the first product that you use in this routine. That is the Olaplex number 3 treatment, and it's going to help repair and strengthen all hair types. This is what you want to use first before washing your hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to wet your hair completely until it's damp or like a towel dried wetness to it, and you're going to comb it through, make sure there's no tangles in there, so when then you apply the product, it applies nicely onto the strands and you're not like tugging or pulling. So comb it all out, and then once you've combed it all out, what you're going to do is you're going to take a small amount and you're going to place it at the root of the hair and then work your way down. And then what I like to do is I like to do this layer by layer. So I'll always put a little bit on my palm, rub it together in my hands, and then I'll work it into the root and I'll work my way down to the ends, and I'll do this layer by layer. Important thing to notice with the number 3 is that it's not a conditioner, it is a bond builder. So that is why you want to go in with this product first, because you want to treat the hair before going in and washing it out. So it is recommended that you use this product once a week. If you have extremely damaged hair, then you can go ahead and use it 2 to 3 times a week, and then you would leave it in your hair for 10 minutes. If you feel like you need a little bit more time, you can go ahead. I have left it in my hair for half an hour before, and you don't need a lot, just a little bit is recommended. I have a lot of hair, and because I work layer by layer, I usually put like a penny size amount through each like layer of hair, and then once I'm all done with doing that, I will comb it through just to make sure it's evenly distributed through my hair, and then I'll put my hair up, and then I'll put my hair up in a bun, and I'll put a little hair cap on just to keep the moisture in, to keep it all nice and tight, and make sure that the number 3 is doing its thing, it's working its magic, and transforming my hair. So it's been 10 minutes. I left it in for only 10 minutes, and then it's time to get into the shower and rinse it all out. So I'll hop in, rinse it all out. I find that when I'm rinsing it out, I can all of a sudden feel a sudden softness to the hair. It's really easy to run my fingers through my hair, which I think are very good signs after using a treatment. You want to make sure that your hair feels manageable, feels softer, it feels healthier, and it definitely feels like that once I'm rinsing it out. So then the next step is that you're going to go in with the Olaplex number 4, and that is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, which repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. So, love the shampoo. It smells so yummy. It has a really fresh scent to it. It's not overpowering. It's a subtle scent, but it smells really clean and fresh, which is really nice. I love that it helps to moisturize your hair and repair the hair, leaving it really easy to manage, as well as giving it some shine, and of course giving it an overall healthier appearance. When I apply this onto my hair, I usually do I apply it twice and then I do 2 rinses. I love that it creates suds right away. I feel like I'm getting a really nice deep clean, and it's really doing its thing and, you know, getting rid of any of cleaning up the hair pores and all of that. I find that it's not drying on my hair, which is really nice. After I've rinsed it out, I don't feel like my hair is overly dry or anything, so it really just helps to demonstrate that this helps to restore some hydration and some moisture into the hair and not stripping the hair from its natural oils, you know, those natural oils that your hair needs to feel and be healthy. Another great thing about the Olaplex products are that they are made without sulfates, without parabens, and they're vegan, so they're clean, and you can honestly just see that by the look of the shampoo. As you can see, it is it's a clear substance, so you know that the ingredients that are used to make this formula are clean ingredients, and it's not stuffed with silicone and parabens and all that yucky stuff that you do not want to put on your hair. I love the shampoo because I find that it's been probably, out of all the shampoos that I've tried, it is the most thickest, richest lathering shampoo, which is really nice. It really gives you that like nice luxurious feel when you're washing through your hair, and when you rinse it out, you just feel like you're literally just getting rid of all of the impurities in your hair and just leaving a nice healthier mane once you've rinsed it all out. I typically use a nickel size amount, almost like a very thick honey like feel to the shampoo. But don't worry, it doesn't feel sticky. It's just like a very thick, it has a very nice thick consistency. I'll rub it between my hands, and then I will massage that all over my hair, and then I'll work my way down to these ends. I usually, when I'm going in with my shampoo, I will concentrate with massaging that into the scalp of my hair, not so much onto my ends. Next, I follow up with my conditioner. So once I have applied the shampoo and rinsed out twice, I'll go in with my conditioner. The conditioner from Olaplex is the number 5, and it's the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which again also helps to repair, strengthen, and hydrate all hair types. Now, the conditioner smells exactly like the shampoo. So it's gonna help to strengthen the hair, it's gonna help to add shine, protect it from any future damage. Then it's also going to help repair and maintain those bonds within the hair. So usually what I do is I'll do like about this much conditioner. I really like to go in with a lot of conditioner for my hair just because I wanna make sure that the ends are very well maintained. I like to maintain my hair long, and I don't like to go for many haircuts, so I always go with a little bit extra with my conditioner, and then I'll rub it between my hands, and I'll work that between the mid hair shaft all the way to my ends, and then whatever is left over, I'll massage that into the scalp because, again, like I get highlights, so it's important to also put some conditioner closer to the root of your hair if you do have color treated hair. Now, it made my hair feel so manageable, super soft. It made my hair, gave it some like nice shine to my hair. It has like a really nice luxurious thick rich creamy feel to it, so I really feel like it's giving my hair that moisture that it needs, because when your hair is colored, you're definitely drying out the hair and it needs moisture. So I'm like, give me all the moisture because my hair needs it, and this conditioner delivers that moisture. So I absolutely love that. And again, it is color safe, so the conditioner did not strip my hair from the color that I have applied to it at all. I typically leave the conditioner in my hair for I usually try to leave it in my hair for about 5 minutes if I can, just so that it absorbs really well into the hair and it does its thing. For the last step, it is the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. Now, this little guy right here is absolutely amazing. Now, all the products here, hands down, are amazing products for your hair, but this is like a little magic potion. It's like a genie in a bottle. It's answered all of my hair concerns, and it is amazing. It honestly makes your hair feel and look amazing. So good. Now, it is recommended to use this product with their products combined. But if you're just looking for a post-shower, if you're looking for a post-shower hair treatment, I would recommend getting this one. It's almost like a leave-in reparative styling cream. So think of it almost like as a leave-in conditioner. It's a great product to put on your hair after washing it because it helps to lock in that moisture. It helps to add that strength to your hair, helps to nourish it, and it's also going to help from any further damage that you might apply to your hair when you're blow drying it or straightening it or whatever it may be. It helps also to reduce frizz and flyaways, which is great because you definitely want to tame those after washing your hair. Amazing overall product, and I would highly recommend this product. I honestly recommend all of them, but if you are on a budget and there's only one that you can choose from, I would totally recommend this one. It is amazing. So once I'm out of the shower, I will comb through my hair, and once it's all combed through, I will put this into my hands. I'll do like a nickel size of this, and I will work it through the mid shaft to the ends of my hair, and then whatever's left over, I will put it in my roots of the hair, and my hair feels so manageable. It feels so soft. I am honestly obsessed with this product. Also great because it helps to speed up blow drying time while helping to smooth out the hair while you are blow drying it. So another great thing about this product is that if you're midweek and you haven't washed your hair yet, but you feel like your hair needs a little bit of a pick-me-up and your ends are maybe looking a little bit dry, a little bit tired, a little bit dull, and they need something to liven them up, you can apply a little bit of the number 6 onto your ends, and it's going to give that life that it needs. You can also apply this at night, and then the next morning you're gonna wake up feeling like Sleeping Beauty, looking good with beautiful hair, and it's gonna make your life way easier in the mornings when you are styling your hair. I'm going to leave it all linked down below. I'm also going to leave a little discount code for you guys if you're interested in purchasing these products, so you guys can purchase them and enjoy a nice discount as well. I honestly love the product. I've used Olaplex before, and now that I've had the opportunity to use a wider range of the products, I love it even more. I personally love to try to keep my hair as healthy, feeling as healthy as possible and looking as healthy as possible. So I wouldn't recommend anything that I truly wouldn't love for my own hair. And again, it's so great because these products can be used on any hair type, so you don't have to worry about that as well. Okay guys, but that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that subscription button down below and join the family. We have a lot of fun on this channel, and I'm so excited to see you guys again in my next video. Take care guys, bye!